Hey everyone, today we are talking about Samsung Galaxy F55, a new phone that's expected to launch in India soon. The F55 is rumored to be a rebranded version of Galaxy M55 but with a few key differences. Let's start with the specs. The F55 is expected to have a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display, a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 or 256 GB of storage. The rear camera will be likely a 50 megapixel sensor along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera and 2 megapixel micro camera. The front-facing camera will be 50 megapixel for all your selfie needs. The battery is expected to be 5,000 mAh with the 25-watt fast charging. The phone will likely run Android 14 with the One UI 6.0. Samsung latest software skin. There is no official word, the price and launch date yet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos.